Hello, I'm Tanner Aherin with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Trade data for November was released this morning and showed strong movement for all three major proteins. U.S. total meat exports were 1.6 billion pounds, which was 43 million pounds, or nearly 3% above November 2019. Beef exports posted their second straight month of year-over-year gain by sending 277 million pounds outside of the borders. This was up more than 13%, as Mexico and China saw the largest annual increase. In fact, China set another new record at nearly 24 million pounds compared to less than 4 million pounds in November 2019. While pork exports narrowed the year-over-year growth to just 1.5%, they still came in at an impressive 633 million pounds. Broiler exports in November totaled 650 million pounds, which was up 1.2% versus the prior year. Looking ahead into the new year, all three proteins are projected to see continued strong movement and end 2021 with growth relative to 2020. Switching to this week's markets, live cattle futures were volatile to start the year, with the February contract dropping $2.72 on Monday. However, the loss was made up the next day by closing $2.75 higher. To end the week, February live cattle were a bit softer and closed near $114.50 per hundredweight. The cash-fed market traded light to moderate volumes in the north at 110 to 112 live and mostly 176 with a few up to 177 dressed, which was steady to $1 higher than last week. The South saw light to moderate volumes trade at 112, which was steady compared to the prior week. It is likely that $112 a hundredweight is at the upper end of the range for the month of January. Feeder cattle traded mostly steady to $3 lower on the week, and calves were mixed from 2 lower to 3 higher. The grain markets continue the steep uptrend as supplies are expected to be tighter, especially for soybeans in the upcoming WASDE report that is released January 12th. To keep pace with the surge in the soybean market, spot corn futures traded above $5 a bushel on Wednesday for the first time since May 2014. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.